So there's a major here in the Arc de Triomphe area. It's called the Avenue des Champs-Élysées. Now it's 12, so it's noontime. So I'm really expecting that there will be a lot of tourists within this area. So I'm just going to show you around here. So within this area you can see a lot of designer shops. There are also a lot of restaurants in the area. So, and there's McDonald's. So if you're touring around and you just want to eat something cheaper, so there's McDonald's definitely. But of course I would recommend that you also try the restaurants here in Paris. Within these areas, the prices can be a bit high when you're eating for lunch or for dinner, so maybe just expect that you would be paying exorbitant prices for your menu. So if you want to shop here in Paris, of course this can be a place to be. It's just going to be expensive though, because these are all designer clothing. And I'm just trying to zoom in the camera so that you can actually appreciate how long the stretch of road is, or street. This major street is really that long, and there are sometimes major events that actually happen here. And also during Christmas time, this area is also lined with a lot of Christmas lights, so it can also be exciting to actually see this place during the Christmas season. So there's Louis Vuitton over there. Well, Louis Vuitton. So there's LV from there. Also here in Champs-Élysées. And probably there are a lot of tour groups here as well. Yeah, so those are tourists, and they're just I think roaming around as part of their tours. I'm just walking on this side because there's less people. Sometimes it can be more crowded than this, so this is still okay. I've been here before years and years ago, and it can be really jam-packed. This is already calm for this street, because sometimes it can be really packed and can be really crowded. So you have here La Durée. This is also available in London, but I guess the original is here in Paris, because Ladurée is actually French. I've tried Ladurée before, but that was in London. I'm just crossing the street. Again, you can see the shops within this area. Now, I was actually thinking of crossing the other side because there's a mall from that area, but it seems like it's difficult to cross here, so I'll probably go and move forward and then cross the other side. There are also a lot of exciting shops in that area. So there's a train station here as well. So if you want to visit Arc de Triomphe and as well as Champs-Élysées street, you can also drop by into that station, the Champs-Élysées station. But anyway, I'm just going to end the video here. Paris is an exciting city, and there's still really a lot of key places that you can actually visit here, such as the Sacré-Cœur. There's also Notre Dame Cathedral and so many other key places. But I'm just going to end the video here, and I just want to thank you for watching this video. And you know, as I tour Paris, it's also, by showing this video, it's also like you're touring with me. So thank you very much for watching.